Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss that how we can make a store and we can sell that store. If you want to make your own Shopify store, if you are a designer or website developer, then you can design your store and sell it online. So we are going to check that how can we design a Shopify store. So how to create a simple Shopify store? These are the few steps we should have to do. So how to create a Shopify store? So the first step is set up, sign up for Shopify. The first stage of setting up your Shopify store is also the easiest. Step 2, add your product to your Shopify store. Step 3, customize the look of your Shopify website. Step 4, set up your domain with Shopify. Activate your payment processor. This is the main thing we have to do. So the next we are going to check that is Shopify good for beginner. Shopify is very friendly to beginner. Its interface is very simple and easy, and there are free e-commerce templates to assist in the establishment of online store. This code-based platform has extremely low startup cost and an easy to understand interface that allows you to sell, ship, promote your businesses. So the step 2 is launching a basic Shopify store. That put your store name back. Picking a name shouldn't be a huge concern right now. Register a Shopify account, choose your store theme, add your logo, and have your standard page ready. Add payment gateway, adjust shipping setting, set up your billing. In the list you can see that billing is more important, that you should have to set up your billing. So you have to receive payments from Shopify of your selling